Why hello there, this is your good Thomas friend 74, and in this video is going to be a look over at the Trackmaster Twisting Tornado set. It was released last year, and you can possibly see right there, there's a sticker that says, "Watch now on Nick Jr." That's an indication that Thomas and Friends here in the US is moved to Nick Jr. It will no longer be aired on PBS Kids anymore. So yeah, US is now teamed up with UK for having Thomas and Friends airing in Nick Jr. for season 22 in Big World Big Adventures. But anyways, that aside, this is the entire set here. It's pretty much small and interior. What can you expect? This is what Mattel's doing. Anyways, here's a special type of Thomas here with flying debris because of the tornado, and it has that face. That is actually very rare to have a Thomas with that kind of expression. He looks very scared of heading into there. Kind of relatable. And it comes with this little ramp, which I don't see much use for this. Because seriously, what's the point of this? It would just be better if it was just like, standard curve track, instead of just having a ramp. I don't see much use for this. The main attraction part of this is this. When Thomas enters here, the barn collapses, this tornado piece spins, and this is mainly like I act as a turntable. Twists Thomas around, knocking down the telephone poles, which are always settable, and Thomas heads on his way again. There's a orange crates here, and this is how I like to reset back to the starting position, which I will show. So, let's see how Thomas handles this crazy storm. Yay. Well, there's not much to say about this set, really. It's just pretty much simple. I actually like its quite gimmick of using a tornado. Like it uses to spin around, and kind of cute that he even put in a cow there. See that he's not having much fun. So this is my taking place like in a farm or something. But since you had to manual reset it, you need to have this switch here to make sure Thomas doesn't go into the spiral too late. Because if that happens, well, it's going to cause some massive problems. This will also not work with tender engines, unfortunately. Just like the Bowden C sets. I forgot to mention that the Bowden C set is not for double engines, and that could happen. You have to manually reset it yourself, so you have to like flip that switch to do so. And but it also cannot work the other way around. This can only go in one direction. See, like that? So yeah, you have to manual reset it. There you have it. That is the Twisting Tornado set by Trackmaster.